Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, I'm Nisha Dharan. Welcome to my channel. Today I've attempted to create this dark glam makeup look. This is the first time ever I used a black lipstick. Now let's jump straight into the video to see how the entire look was put together. I'm starting off by using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm going to spray this all over my face and leave it until it dries. Following which I'm using the NYX Conceal Correct and Contour Palette. I'm using this orange shade to correct all the darkness around my eyes and also the pigmented areas of my face. And I'll be using a small beauty blender to blend all this into my skin. Next, I'm moving on to foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte Foundation and the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I'm mixing these two shades to get the perfect shade. I'm using a beauty blender to apply the foundation here. For setting the foundation and for the foundation not to crease all day, I'm using the PAC Cosmetics Transparent Powder. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm using the Etude House Precise Brow Pencil. Trust me guys, this is the best brow pencil I've ever used. It's so creamy, it's not on the drier side. The texture is absolutely perfect. I think this is something that I would recommend all of you, and it's really affordable. After filling the brows, I'm cleaning the edges of the brows using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. As you can see, I'm using a flat concealer brush to do the same. Next, I'm moving on to my eye makeup. Since I've already done my base, I don't want any fallouts on the foundation, so I'm going to apply some loose powder under my eyes. Doing this way helps in catching any fallouts from the eyeshadow that you can dust off later. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base, and I'm using a small beauty blender to blend the concealer in place, post which I'll be setting it using a powder so that it doesn't crease. For eye makeup today, I'm using the This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette from Tan Beauty. Since I have a hooded eye, I'm using this brown shade from the palette to create a crease on top of my natural crease. I'm just creating that shadow and that depth. Basically, I'm just defining a new crease line. Next, I'm using this Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I'm using this silver shade from the palette and placing this all over my eyelid. Next, I'm using this kajal from Daily Forever 52. I'm just drawing a thick line on top of my eyelid and I'm going to smudge it using a smudger brush. Next, I'm curling the lashes and also applying some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Falsies mascara. Next, I'm using the same brown shade on my lower lash line. I'm also using a white kajal pencil. This is again from the Forever 52 brand. I'm completing the eye look using mascara on my lower lash line. For contour, I'm using the Benefits Hoola bronzer. This is one of my favorites. Moving on to blush. For blush, I'm using the PAC Cosmetics Hush Blush palette. I'm picking this pink shade from the palette. This is going to look really natural. Here I'm using this lip balm to prep my lips for the dark lipstick that is coming up. While the lip balm is soaking up, I'm going to be applying some highlighter. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Now comes the best part. I'm moving on to my lips. I'm using the lip liner from PAC Cosmetics. This is the darkest lip liner that I had out of all the lip liners that I own. But I know this is not a black liner, but I still wanted to line my lips and did not want to skip that step. Now I'm applying this black lipstick from the Anastasia lip palette. I think the look turned out to be better than what I expected. Do let me know how you guys liked it in the comment section below. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button. And I'll see you on a brand new one. Bye bye.